Hello marketers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I will be discussing about recurring affiliate programs. And I came across this blog post here discussing about 125 affiliate programs which offer recurring payments to its affiliates, and I will leave this link in the description below the video. The normal affiliate sales cycle is where you attract visitors. You attract visitors by using free traffic methods, PPC, or however you use to get those visitors onto your site or landing page. And then you send the visitors to the affiliate offer, and then hopefully it converts into a sale or lead and you earn commission. And then you would need to rinse and repeat this cycle in order to generate more money for yourself. And here is the world of recurring affiliate sales cycle. You do pretty much the same exact things, the first 3 steps here, but then you get repeat commission every month or every year depending on the program, for the lifetime of that customer. So it's passive income. You never have to try to sell it to them again, and potentially this is a lot more profitable. The most popular kind of recurring affiliate programs are of course the web hosting companies, since each customer will have to pay for their hosting monthly or yearly. And pretty much every internet marketer, affiliate marketer, webmaster will need professional web hosting at some point in their life. And so it's big business, and there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of companies you can sign up with. A lot of money will be made for sure, because again, everybody needs hosting long term. I think the longest I've been with a hosting company is almost 10 years with HostGator. That was the company I've used for the longest time. Normally web hosting companies pay over $100 per sale to their affiliates, and here are some of the other hosting companies where they actually pay you residual or recurring affiliate commissions. So you get a one-time payment per sale plus 5% lifetime. So that's pretty cool. And also here you get a flat commission plus 7%. So these are some of the top web hosting companies that offer recurring commissions. And here we have VPN services. A lot of people use this nowadays because of privacy issues, and also a lot of webmasters, marketers also use VPNs for link building and cloud storage. It's also a pretty big thing nowadays. And you can definitely promote all of these if you want to, but realistically you don't need to market all of these, promote all of these to make good money. You can just focus on a few or even one of these companies. If you can make 100 sales at any of these companies, that's pretty much passive income for a part-time job right there. So I hope this helps. I'll leave the link in the description below. I hope this gives you some ideas about recurring affiliate programs, and until next time, happy marketing.